What's up, kids? Chris Baldwin, foreman, LRV Maintenance, Orange Empire Railway Museum. We're here with 141A. This is a end of the 141 car here. 1990 Nippon-Sharyo P865 LA Metro Rail. This car has been turned over to the Orange Empire Railway for salvage. And as you can see, we're keeping the car ends intact for future use, but we are dismantling this car so that our 144 will have plenty of spare parts. As you can see, we've taken out signs and doors and whatnot. That's an air conditioner unit. And this is just the result of one day of taking things out. There's been a lot of undercar equipment removed, whatnot. Got a lot more to go, but the goal here is to strip this train out so that our 144 can have plenty of spare parts. This is the B end of the 141 here, so we're working on it, getting it done. I'm sure that the Metro Sheep Productions is going to be interested in seeing this video. So there you go, bud. All the fluorescent lights out of the lighting fixtures, speakers have been taken down, lighting fixture covers, some seats taken out, a lot of the car control equipment's been removed. So, yep, we're scrapping the 141 out for parts for the 144. So there it is. So yes, the Orange Empire Railway Museum technically does own two P865s at this point, but one of them is not long for this world, as it's going to be parts for the 144. So hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. If anything else exciting happens, I'll be sure to let you know.